Hello everybody, I'm CARCRAZEDKID, and today we are going on the drive of a lifetime for Dano Libro's birthday, a good friend of ours that we ride with. Like it's nothing. This is just like a toad on a mountain. It feels like we're going down a mountain path like Pikes Peak or something. Look at that view. This is the most beautiful ride I've ever been on. Look at that. So we have to turn around. We're gonna have fun catching up to the rest of the cars. And look at that, we've already catched up. This is not a car to be messed around with. Look at the dog.